I started cluster when I was scrolling on Twitter. Mr. Seiko, you know Seiko ito. Seiko ito's Twitter shared something about Halloween festival. Yeah. Yes. I immediately downloaded Cluster because I want to see it there. And as I downloaded Cluster and I was in the virtual Shibuya, that's the first world I stepped in. It's so beautiful. I can't wait for that day where they were fun, and yeah, I was having fun before the festival. I was having fun exploring other worlds. I was visiting Nessus World, the gym, and yeah, so many. I also entered night building a long time ago, and that's one. And and after that one, I was about to uninstall Cluster, but I look back, like before the festival, I was so happy going and clearing Cluster. So I did not uninstall it after, and I was exploring with so many books there and uploading some avatars. And November 5, I was on the Tokyo Tower, the free version, and I saw. That's the time I firstly stepped foot in the cafe, and yeah, and I'm here now. If I didn't download Cluster, I would be kind of bored when there's break time. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.
憂鬱な日曜日の夜を知的で素敵な時間にドレスアップ。5分で得意話をするエンターテインメント型プレゼンテーション企画ライブ DTVR 各週日曜日クラスターにて開催中。登壇者も随時募集しております。詳しくはクラスター公式サイトイベントリストから、または Twitter ハッシュタグ DTVR からご覧ください。